Hey, welcome back to Life with Dem. It's Black History Month, and it's only right we talk about Black history, culture, and food all month long.
That's right, because African American culture is ancestral. Good job, Mama. It's transcendental,
resilient, and revolutionary.
In order to understand our culture, you must understand our history.
Ooh, that was good.
Good job.
Before the U.S. became what we know it to be today, it looked like this. Then the Spanish explored the land, then came the French, then came the English, and eventually we ended up here with the Louisiana Purchase. The Louisiana Territory holds a unique story in our African American history. It is a history too complex to dive deep into on a food recipe video, but it is our hope you'll understand the gist of it by the end.
Today, we're cooking smothered okra, also called okra to many in the South. Smothering is a technique we're famous for in Louisiana. We can smother just about anything, meats, seafood, vegetables, it doesn't matter. Just know it'll taste good in the end. Smothered okra is one of my family's favorite smothered dishes. I cook it just how I was raised eating it, the Creole way. It can be made with more or less liquid or more or less slime. It's all in preference. The full recipe will be in the description. Have you ever heard the phrase, my house, my rules? Well, this rang true for the Louisiana Territory during the colonial period, where France and Spain treated the institution of slavery a little bit differently than their colonial friends. Under France's Code Noir and Spain's law of cartation, enslaved people in Louisiana were several times more likely to be freed than in other states. The first enslaved Africans arrived in Louisiana in 1719. Only 3 years would pass before Louisiana would begin to have free people of color. Among this group would be people of African descent born free or enslaved, while others were mixed ancestry of African, French, Spanish, or Native American. This group would also become known as Creoles, a term that transcends race and is a result of syncretism in the Louisiana Territory. The black population in Louisiana increased even more with the arrival of more free people of color and enslaved Africans seeking refuge from the Haitian Revolution. By the time the Louisiana Purchase happened in 1803, Louisiana's black population was a force to be reckoned with. No, seriously, slavery wasn't abolished yet. Free people of color had rights. They conducted businesses of their own. They were educated and skilled. They lived where they chose to. They owned property and more. Louisiana even had a free black militia who were present during the Louisiana Purchase ceremony. Let's not even discuss the German Coast Uprising of 1811, which was the largest slave revolt in U.S. history. Bet you didn't hear about that one, huh? Needless to say, the U.S. wasn't having that shit. Many laws were revised, but the foundation of our culture survived. Our Louisiana history is just one example of indigeneity in the African American experience. stay tuned for more Black history, culture, and food. Happy Black History Month, y'all. Don't leave without subscribing now, you hear? See y'all later.